flourish, chassis, hockey, net, opportunity car, onen to get, rip track, chief, ting home, chocolate age. You are the bite that sits the rhythm of my heart. You are love and devotions inspires me to be a better person every day. I am so lucky to have you as my girlfriend. Your love is like a rainbow after the storms, bringing color and beauty into my life. You are strong and resilience, inspiring me to overcome, and that comes me where I am adore you are my inspirations. My love for you grows strong with each passing day. You are intelligence and passion in inspiring me to pursuing my dream. You are the reasons behind my every success. Your love is a like breath of fresh air, rejuvenating my express and filling my heart with power. You kindness and generosity inspiring me to be a better person. I am so very grateful for you and my girlfriend. My love for you has no beginning and no ending. It is cycleless like life, every flowing like the oceans, and it is a boundless as the sky, as visiting, as the unvarying way. When I see your face, I see my past, persons, my future. When I hold your hand, feels everything's inside of my expand. You are my everything. I will love you forever. Good afternoon. Do all you are looking for you where I should go now? I want to go the left, but there is nothing right now. When I look for you cases, I cannot servicing. I feel lost. I know this place so well. Then how could I feel broken? But I have been strong, or should choice right when there is nothing left. The only things I have is a pin. Yes, I know they are much gone. I love imagining is spending a day without you would make me question my excitement. You always pushed me forward even the days I am at my weakest. I cannot imagine my future without you have complete my life. I thought that loving me someone wholeheartedly and feeling the same amount of affection only happen in move united. I meet you. Thank you for all the care and appreciations you have given me. I cannot help but wonder that I am ever that deserves. I am the luckiest man in this world because I have you. I am connecting that is united Arviv, and my heart is filled with excitement and anticipations. I have a special surprise waiting for you. Sweet trusted that I will delight you testing bouts and worms. You heart I will preparing for you our traditions are baking, dispersing and that's spreading in love and traditions. It is sure to bring a smile to your face. I love you. The stars forget to shine my love with will still remain like the sands that rising after every storms and rain. No distance, no silence, no movement in time could every erasing the fest. You are mine, so keeping this is mine when the nights feel long, when depths crave in things or go wrong through every seasons never or for. I love you deeply just as you. No words unsaid, no love untold. My heart is you are to have hold. So when you wonder, when you depth, remember this. I love you now and forever thoughts. My mind has become a host of love rather than looks. My heart no longer pumps blood, it carries love. I may see everything as beautiful, but one is amusing, and it is if I could cover you like the cold covers the earth. I will just protecting you do. I don't mind giving all you up for your warmth. It a love I became a sweet experiencing for me when you stepped and became the sweet set of my love emotions. You are the best. No wonder you came in the shining arming. You are my best friend, the person I can tell my old secrets, the first person I want to talk to when I wake up, and the last person I want to take to before I draft off to sleep when something good happening to me. Or you are the first person I want to share it.